Right, I've got a lovely Defender to show you here. A P400e 2-litre petrol with the plug-in hybrid. It's a September 2023 on a 73, so still a bit of Land Rover warranty left, and we'll also put a year's premium warranty on as well. It's a Defender X, very high specification with the Explorer pack, which is the roof rails, roof rack, storage box on the side, and this also has the factory Satin PPF, which was a £4,000 option. So Pangea green, factory PPF, Santorini black bonnet, and it is stunning. Also, we've just fitted this one with a brand new set of 22-inch genuine Land Rover 5-spoke wheels in gloss black with Continental tyres, so they are brand new. Also, it has the spare to match, so 5 brand new wheels and tyres just been fitted. Spoiler there to the rear, factory privacy glass. It's got the nicer upgrade rear lights, bumper top protector, loops on the back bumper, mud flaps, wide arch kit, side steps, side vents, raised wing top vents, front and rear park, 360 cameras, and condition is lovely. It's also got the vintage tan and ebony interior on this one, which I'll show you in a few minutes. Air suspension, panoramic roof, clear sight camera, electric tow bar, heads-up display, drop-down ladder there on this side, and drives lovely. Just show you in the back for a start. Keyless entry. And look at that interior. Vintage tan. Perforated, Isofix, rear armrest, just pop that down, over carpet mats, tilt slide panoramic roof with electric sunblind. Into the driver's side. Meridian sound system, that's the surround sound, power fold mirrors, memory seats, fully electric with electric lumbar, wood trim there. Mileage 42,983. Clear side camera, rear view, and the heads-up display. Illuminated kick strips. Looks lovely. So there you go, if you're looking for a very high spec plug-in hybrid with the petrol engine, here we go. You won't find a nicer one than this, and super condition, brand new wheels and tyres. Also, as you see, red calipers. Like an orangey red. So condition's lovely and it's ready to go. Any questions? If you'd like to give Toby a ring on this one, our number is 0750 1000 730. Website justnicecars.co.uk, where the full description of this vehicle is and all the photographs. One local owner. Taken in part exchange by us. Thank you very much for watching. I say any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.